I also have, oh my gosh, how many times will I say it's a mess? Because it's an actual mess. Also, if my bra was showing in this video, don't worry about it. This top is cute, but I literally don't have a bra for it. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you what's inside my tote bag. I feel like for a couple of years now I've been doing what's inside my purse or what's inside my bag like every time the new year starts, so I'm so excited to do this one because it's actually a tote bag, and tote bags have become such a thing lately, and that's really all I've been carrying these past couple of months. If you guys saw my what I got for Christmas video, you saw that I got this tote bag. It's from Lisa Says Gah. It is the cutest thing ever. It's a canvas tote bag. It is a little bit larger than an average tote bag. It has this really beautiful flower design. It literally matches my shirt, and it just says Gah right here. My favorite detail has to be the tag. It has a Lisa Says Gah tag right here, and I don't find a lot of tote bags that have stuff like that, so I'm so excited that I have this. So shout out to my sister for giving this to me for Christmas. So I am gonna be honest with you guys, I haven't really cleaned it. It's all over the place, and tote bags don't really have pockets or anything like that, so it's gonna be pretty messy and we're gonna be all over the place. So let's start off with what I always carry in my tote bag. It's actually my notebook. For most of the time I bring my notebook a lot of places. I just love having my notebook around. It's also my planner, so I just like to keep it. And then inside I have some pens. Next is actually a smaller purse, just in case this tote bag doesn't go with my outfit. I can always pull out my purse. So I have this black shoulder bag. This is from ASOS. It is a black baguette, and inside here, wow, we're doing a what's inside my purse that's inside my purse. What's inside my purse that's in my tote bag? Okay, in here I have hand sanitizer, I have a scrunchie. That's where it went. I was looking for that scrunchie. I have an extra mask. I have some gloves because I actually like to pump gas with gloves on. You guys, I never realized how gross pumping your gas is. So many people touch that. I also have some receipts in here. I don't know. I have some throat lozenges. What are they called? Like those throat candies, but they're not candy. Lodges? I can't English. Yeah, it's really messy in here as well. I have more gloves, more receipts. Yeah, so I just keep this in case I need a smaller, cuter purse. A purse that actually goes with my outfits, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, this is such a mess. I have more of the throat. I'm obsessed with these, which is really bad. I need to stop. I also have some gum. I have these Mentos. They're the winter edition. My sister put this in my stocking. Oh, I have my water bottle. I like to keep this water bottle. Usually it's like my Hydro Flask, but it's not really from Hydro Flask. But I have this today, so. I also have, oh my gosh. How many times will I say it's a mess? Because it's an actual mess. I have two wallets in here. If you guys didn't see, I got this wallet for Christmas. My boyfriend's sister gave it to me, and I have yet to use it because I need to put all my stuff in this wallet into this wallet. I need to do that soon. They're both from Kate Spade. This one is just a like keychain tiny wallet, and this one's like a legit wallet. So this has more room. And then I have this pouch right here. I got it from Ipsy. I think it was for the December edition, and I have some change in here. Okay, I need to keep this receipt. I don't know why I have this in here, but it's cute. I have this Ziploc. This is so random. I have this Ziploc that has a vitamin C supplement in there, in case I forget to take it, so I have it here. Another thing are my keys. I just have my car keys, my house keys, and some keychains. I have this super cute keychain. That's me. I love brunch. I have a disposable camera. This is from Andy Mineo. I have 5 left. I like to keep this with me everywhere I go because I like to take pictures just randomly. I want to be done with this already because I do have some pictures in here that I want to see, and I kind of forgot what I've taken in this, so it's always nice to carry one. I have another pair of hand sanitizers. This one's by Purell, and then this one is from the Cream Shop, and this is a moisturizing hand sanitizer and it's green tea scented. It's like in this cute little pouch. I've used it and it smells really good, and it's a really good hand sanitizer. I also have another extra mask just in case I need that. I also have some disinfectant wipes for obvious reasons, so I just keep this in my tote bag. I also have these sunglasses. These are from Sojo's Vision. They're so cute. I also have my AirPods. These are nice to have everywhere I go as well. This case is actually from Urban Outfitters. My boyfriend gave it to me and it's just so cute. I also have a claw clip. This is my favorite one. This one is from Amazon and it holds up my hair really, really well. And then the last couple of things I have in here, that was fast. I really didn't have much in here. I have some lotion. My boyfriend's sister also gave this to me. This is from Trader Joe's. You guys have to get this. It's the Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream and it's made with coconut oil, hemp oil, and shea butter, and it's paraben free, so it just comes in this tube. It smells divine. You guys have to get it. Oh my gosh, I thank her for giving this to me because it smells so good and it leaves my hands super, super moisturized. So the last few things are like essentials for me right now. I had this really bad burn on my hand. I think it was more so because of the winter and I'd used a lot of hot water, but what made it worse is obviously the cold, so I left it there for like a month, but I didn't realize it was a bad burn. And you don't just put lotion to treat it. So I just left it there. It's better now because I have been using the Aquaphor healing ointment and it's for dry and cracked or irritated skin. Now it's a lot better. You can I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but it's just right there. And then it's also like on this area, but that area is a little bit better. I just need to continue putting this on because the edges are a little bit dry. So this has been such an essential. And then I also have my Aquaphor Lip Repair because for some reason a specific mask that I've been using has been giving my lips a horrible irritation. It's just been irritating my lips. I'd have like bumps right here and then bumps right here, but this has helped, so I'm super happy with that. Aquaphor is just like, they're there for you. So that is everything that's inside of my tote bag. Also, if you guys do follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I started my own business. It is called Sunny, and Sunny is a boutique social media agency, and I'm so excited to start connecting with small businesses and just help them out with social media and how powerful social media is when it comes to businesses and thriving in your business. So yeah, if you guys want to check Sunny out, I'll make sure to link it down below as well. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you later. Bye!